Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I have a Temu haul, some friend mail, happy mail, as well as some Hobby Lobby clearance. Let's get right into this. This is a couple of orders from Temu. My Temu used to be a minimum of $10 to ship, and they have just increased it to $15. So I think my Temu order is going to be slowing down. I can easily spend $10 on crafts, but then when it moves to $15, I'm like, wait, that's way too much in one time. So anyways, I have the prices and how many there are. I picked up these cute cupcakes and ice creams. There were 12 in the package and they were 48 cents. And I did get 2 of those. We have these cute clay flowers. They were 37 cents and there was 50 in the package. These super cute lollipops. These are going to be so good to put into embellishment boxes. They were 48 cents for 20 of them. I think all these prices were great. These are some of the iridescent butterflies and they are beads. There were 50 in a package. I picked it up for 27 cents and I didn't realize I had placed on a different order the same ones, but they were 26 cents. So I have lots of these butterflies. These acrylic flip-flops, they're super cute. They have the little hooks so you could use it on a charm. I was able to snip this off with my scissors and it was super easy. They are adorable, perfect for summer. There were 60 in the package and that was 89 cents. Always pick these up. They put these up for such a great price. There was 30 in here and it was 28 cents. There were 100 of these clear hearts. They are so super cute. They would go great in a shaker and they were 38 cents. These tiny bows, I have purchased these before. They were on sale for 26 cents. Could not resist that price. These are so super cute. And a 100 pack of these leaves. These were only 48 cents. And I thought these would go really good underneath some of the flowers that I have. These tulip caps, they are so pretty. They are frosted. And there were 50 in the bag for 26 cents. These really fun color sparkly beads. There were 22 in the package and they were 18 cents. This pack of sport beads, these are going to go great on my sport junk journals. There were 20 in the bag and they were 18 cents. Check out these tiny bats. They are so super cute. These are going to go great on Halloween projects. There were 20 in the pack for 36 cents. These cute Halloween clay ones. This one had a really good variety. I have picked up similar, I think for the Christmas, but there was only like 3 designs. This one seems to have a lot more designs and they are so super cute. There was 50 in the package and it was only 48 cents. And then these cute beads, all of them are pink except for this one purple one. There was 50 in the package and it was only 27 cents. I did pick up another package of these spoons. They were 28 cents for 50. I have been gifting these in my Happy Mails and they are just the super cutest. They go perfect on dangles. I love all the colors. I did pick up another set of those. This set of cute bows, I'm not sure how many is in here, was 27 cents and that did include the case. I thought that that was a really great price. That is it for like the beads and cabochons that I picked up from Temu. I do have a video coming out where I sort and organize all of my beads, and now I will be able to fit all of these into my new organized space. The other stuff that I picked up from Temu, I did pick up this pack of 50 stickers and this was 37 cents. I picked up the Sweet Treats pack. They are super fun, really colorful, and I like to use stickers on my dewdrop packaging. A cute selection of those. For 50 cents, I picked up these stickers. They were so sweet. I like to share these in Happy Mail as well as decorate my outgoing packages. These are just so cute. So 50 of those, cannot beat that price for 50 cents. I picked up this roll of 500 face stickers. They're so cute. I thought that these would look great on my envelopes. They were only 48 cents. They're so cute. They had these stickers. There's 40 stickers in here and it was 17 cents. I was thinking I could use these labels to make my labels on my boxes uniform with a chalk pen. So I'm going to give them a try and see how they stick to the plastic boxes. I've seen a few crafters using these giant pins. I thought these are going to be so fun to create little dangles and charms off of. These were 86 cents and I think there's 10 in there. They're just like large safety pins. They're really fun. I did pick up 2 of these. These are some heavy duty zipper bags. I am so glad I picked up 2. I already used an entire package. I've been organizing some of my bins and I have a lot of loose ephemera and loose little charms and beads. I've been using one of these sleeves in each of those bins to contain all of that. I think that they are great. I hate that they're folded. I can't stand when it comes folded in half. They are working out great. Like I said, I've already used an entire sleeve. There was 10 and it was 66 cents. I'm so glad that at the last minute I added a second one to my cart. These have come in very handy. I normally don't pick up stamps, but this one had so many good sentiments and I love how nice the sizes are. So I did pick this up and it's kind of like all year long stamp set and that was $1.59. This cute strawberry notebook pad. I love lined notebooks and I love to make to-do lists. This was only 28 cents. It's super fun. Hot air balloon die and that was only 29 cents. That is my Temu haul and I'm gonna get into my friend mail real quick. This package came as a complete surprise. This is from Carrie over at Carrie's Crafts. I will be sure to link her channel down below. She sent me this amazing stack of handmade cards and I am so appreciative. These are the types of cards that I send out my dewdrops in, and the time that I save not having to make cards to ship my dewdrops in is amazing. So if you get one of these, it's going to be Carrie. Hopefully she stamped the back of them as well as some envelopes, and she did send me this super cute card. She left a really nice note in there. She also sent me some happy mail ephemera. Here is her information. Thank you so much, Carrie. This came as such a sweet surprise. I'm so appreciative, and these are definitely going to get used in my dewdrop orders. So thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me such a lovely gift. I appreciate it so very much. My bestie Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic, her and I were chit-chatting. I was telling her how I couldn't find ephemera for Echo Park collection that I was using, and she found it and she sent it to me. And Sharon, thank you so much. You are so sweet. It has the cutest summer images. I've already used one. I could not resist. I just loved it when I saw it. I was like, I'm using this right now, and crafted something immediately. So thank you so much for these. They are so super cute. If you have been around, Sharon and I hosted our first summer vibe swap. This video may actually go up after we announce the swap. I hope you will join in. This is the paper collection that I am going to be using for my swap package. I hope that you guys will join in. It is so much fun. The last thing that I have is my Hobby Lobby haul. They didn't have duplicates of much stuff. There was no other clearance that I could find. I did not check the ribbon because I don't need ribbon. I did check the stickers and all the other scrapbooking aisles, and I didn't see any of the clearance except in the beads. And so I could not resist, since I just organized my beads. I feel like I have a ton of space now, even though I don't. I had to get these. They were $1.24 and I just love these colors. They're so fun. A nice big bag. I did pick up some of this wax cording. I do use these in my journals, and when they're already waxed, they're really easy to slide through the papers. That was 62 cents and I like this color. And then I picked up some cherry cabochons and they were 99 cents. These super cute candies, they were $1.24. We have these acrylic flowers. They're also $1.24. These fruits, and these just look like some flat acrylics, and those are expensive. $1.49. Great price. I'll probably hoard these forever. And then these, I think these are bows. I'm gonna actually, okay, I thought these were bows, and they're actually little gummy bears. Cute, but I did think that they were bows. when I purchased them. But they are sparkly gummy bears, and they will be fun in Happy Mail and embellishment boxes. So we have some gummy bears for $1.24. We have this mix of beads. They are really nice colors. I'm trying to avoid my ring light glare. They were $1.49. And lastly, this large package. This is the cotton candy round bead mix. They did have other ones, but they were really dark in color, so I did not pick those up. These were so sweet and pastel that I definitely wanted to add them into my beads, and they were $2.12. I did go to a different Hobby Lobby the day after I filmed this video, and I was able to find a couple of different things. So I wanted to do a quick video and put it in with this other Hobby Lobby clearance. These cute jewelry storages were 62 cents, and these will be used for Happy Mail and sequin mixes. These charms, these cute happy faces, they were only 99 cents, and I will be splitting these with Sharon. We have some of the heart locks. They were 87 cents. And we have these cute butterflies, and they were 99 cents. I found this package of sparkly beads. I wish I could have found one more of these, but this was the only one that store had. They're really pretty beads. These pink ones were $1.24. I'm always using pink. Thought that this was a great deal for these. I could not resist picking up these large mushrooms. They do have jump rings and a place that you could put them on a dangle. They were $1.37. I think the colors are amazing and I love them so much. And I did pick up 2 additional large beads. Let's see, one was $2.49 and one was $2.24. This is the frosted round bead mix, and this one is the large round bead mix. These colors are so pretty, and they pretty much will go with anything. So I did not want to pass them up. I don't actually have a lot of large beads, so I'm happy to add these into my collection. And in the last part of my Hobby Lobby haul, I said I did not go down the ribbon aisle, but I did at this Hobby Lobby, and I picked up some pom-pom trim. I picked up this blue one for 87 cents, this pink and silver for 99 cents, and this cream one for 87 cents. I love using pom-pom trim. Figured for that price, I'm going to add those into my collection as well. And that is my Temu haul, my Hobby Lobby clearance, and my sweet friend Happy Mail. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.